Hi, 안녕하세요. Our video today will be a comparison of Filipino Sign Language, Korean Sign Language, and American Sign Language. Interesting, right? We'll compare how days of the week is signed in the three languages. First, let's start with Monday. This is FSL for Monday. And then you just turn it around and this is ASL for Monday. For Korean, it's this, where you will. Then for Tuesday, this is the FSL for Tuesday. And this is the ASL for Tuesday. And then this is Hwa you will for Tuesday in Korean. Next, Wednesday. So Wednesday for FSL, Filipino Sign Language. Wednesday for ASL, or American Sign Language. And this is Wednesday or Suyuil for Korean. So it's like drinking soju, Suyuil. Next, Thursday. That's both for FSL and ASL, the same, Thursday. Although some would sign Thursday as this, like the H, is also acceptable. Then for Korean, it's this, Mukiwil. Friday, so this is Friday, FSL, ASL, Friday. And then for Korean, this is interesting. So these two F's, Kimiwil. Saturday, S, Filipino, this is FSL. And then this is American, Saturday. And then for Korean, Tuyuin. Sunday, so this is Sunday in both Filipino and American Sign Language. And then for Korean, it's Iliwil. So here, sorry, in the on the chin. So Ilyuin. How do you sign day? So this is the day in Filipino and American Sign Language. In Korean, this is the day. Yuil, rather. Yuil. Then for the week, this is the week in Filipino and American Sign Language. In Korean, it's Juil. Iljuil. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today. See you in the next video.